This is a very quick and simple video to show you how you can copy and delete elements using the Thrive Content Builder. Thrive Content Builder gives you a very quick and easy method for copying and deleting elements in your content. For instance, here if I add a text element and I would like to add another text element below it, I can either add it from the right hand side or I can simply click on this green duplicate button here and it will copy it downwards instantly for me. As you can see, each time I press the button it makes a new text element and pastes it below. Likewise, on the right hand side, if you hover over an element, you'll see this red cross. If you click this is going to delete the element from the page. Sometimes you'll have nested elements. For instance, you might have a content box and inside the content box you might have some text. Here, if I hover over the individual text and click the duplicate button, then it will duplicate just the text. Likewise, if I hover over it and click the red cross, it's going to delete just the text. However, if I hover over the entire box and I duplicate it, then it's going to copy the entire content box and its contents. This can be really powerful if you're creating pieces of content which contain lots of common elements. An example might be, let's say you had 3 columns, which I'm just going to drag here, and inside each of these 3 columns you have a content box. So here I have a content box and I would like the same content box inside these other 2 columns. The quickest way for me to achieve this would be to hover over this content box, click the duplicate, and then drag it into the next column. And then if you wanted 2 rows of this, you could just copy the entire column and it would paste another column which is an exact replica beneath it. As you can see, this is a very powerful way to quickly build up content on your page if you have common elements. The same is true for the delete button. If you want to delete an entire row, you can just come up here and click on the delete button of the column and it's going to delete everything. If you want to delete just the text box within each column, then you can click those as well and that will keep the columns there. Alternatively, if you wanted to delete just the text inside, you can do that too. So really just pay attention to where your mouse is hovering over and you can use these green duplicate and red cross buttons to duplicate and delete any element on your page.